Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you quickly how to install the Xbox on your computer. Simply open the Microsoft Store, just search here store, and this should be able to open the Microsoft Store. And on the search, and let me show you, I also don't have it. Just to show you, as you can see, there is no Xbox. Now type here Xbox, and once you see it, you should be able to get this app. Just click on that option and just click on get option. And once you click on get option, it should install automatically on your computer, and you should be able to get the option of opening the Windows Xbox game bar. Let's wait here for a few seconds and then see. If it will take more than a minute, so I will pause the video. So let's see now how much time it is going to take. It's 18%, 19, 20, 33. ,77% now. Now it's almost done. It got installed. You can see it is installed. Let's open it. Okay, installing updates. Xbox. Yeah, we have successfully installed that. Now if you have the Microsoft account, just log in with your account, or you can create the new one. So this is how guys you can install the Xbox easily on your computer. I hope this video helps. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.